If you love candles and creating things that are useful and beautiful, then starting your own candle-making business could be the perfect entrepreneur venture for you. Although there seems to be a lot of new candle businesses popping up, don't worry. There is more than enough money out there for everyone. In fact, the candle market is worth in excess of $20 billion in the United States alone. If this is an idea that you have been thinking about for a while, now is the perfect time to put your thoughts into action and start turning your passion into profit. The materials you will need to get started making candles will typically cost less than $100, which is amazing especially if you have a small budget to start with. Plus, the best thing about starting a home-based business is that it can be operated from wherever you live. Make sure to watch this video until the end to get all the step-by-step details on how you can start your own candle business from home. So, let's jump right in. Your target audience, and what matters to you most, may help determine the types of candles you decide to sell. Let's briefly discuss some different types of handmade candles that you can sell. Soy candles, for example, are one of the hottest selling candles on the market right now. This is because they are made of soybeans, which makes them non-toxic and better for the environment since they burn cleaner. Another popular candle to offer is decorative candles. People not only love candles because of the relaxation and fragrance that they offer, but they love to use them as home decor. You can get creative and offer a variety of different shapes and colors to make your business stand out from your competition. Scented and aromatherapy candles are specially formulated to emit an aroma that matches a particular mood or setting within the home. They're great for creating a certain ambience in a room. They can also be used to mask odors without having to use an air freshener. Specialty candles are the candles that people buy for special occasions, such as Valentine's Day and Mother's Day. They can also be funny candles given away as a gift for humor. Another example would be candles used for religious ceremonies. Seasonal candles are a great way to cash in on the holiday seasons like autumn and Halloween or spring and Easter. Next, we will talk about the supplies you will need for your candle making business. Depending on the type of candles you plan to sell, you'll need a specific combination of waxes, dyes, fragrances, and essential oils. For now, here are the basic materials you need to have on hand before you start making your candles. There are a variety of different types of wax you can use to make your candles. Each comes with its own pros and cons. The most popular types of wax used in candle making include soy, paraffin, and beeswax. There will be links in the description below on where you can find each item listed in this video. Soy wax is great because of its ability to burn slowly, which means it lasts longer. It is also eco-friendly because it is 100% natural and non-toxic. This also means it burns cleaner. This is a great selling point if you want to attract an environmentally friendly audience. One drawback is this type of candle is more expensive to produce. Paraffin wax is popular for being inexpensive and used among many popular brands. This is because of its ability to hold high fragrance and color. However, paraffin candles are not eco-friendly and produce more soot when burned. Beeswax has a higher melting point, which means that it burns slower. However, the best benefit of beeswax is that when it is burned, it releases negative ions that can eliminate mold, dust, and unpleasant odors. Pigments are what gives a candle its color. Two popular ways to add color to your candles is by using mica powders or by using liquid dyes. The most popular way to scent your candles is by using essential oils. There are hundreds of different essential oil scents available. Another way to add fragrance to your candles that also adds to the aesthetic look is to use dried flowers and herbs. Other supplies you'll need include an electric hot plate for melting wax, candle wicks, containers or jars, and labels. If you decide to make candles into different shapes, then you will also need to purchase candle molds. If you don't have any experience with candle making, I would suggest purchasing a candle making kit first, to determine if this is something that you truly want to pursue. This is a good way to test it out before investing in a large quantity of materials and supplies. You can also get a pre-made candle business kit, which includes everything you need to get started. I will leave links in the description below on where to purchase all of the items mentioned in this video. The next step on your journey to creating a successful candle business is determining your pricing. Pricing your product isn't an exact science, but there are a few things you can do to help you arrive at the right price to ensure that you make a profit from each candle that you sell. We have a full video all about how to price your products that you can check out on our channel. Once you get all your materials, and you have determined how much you'll be charging for each candle, it's time to start thinking about your branding. Branding is the visual and verbal message that you convey to the public through your product marketing and packaging. It's the first thing that potential customers see, and is also what often triggers them to buy. Think about why someone would want to purchase candles from your business versus someone else. Does your brand focus on the health benefits of candles, such as reducing stress and anxiety? Or are your candles known for increasing concentration and focus? Maybe the scents you offer produce a calming effect on someone's mood. Also, remember to include your brand's business name and logo on your packaging too. If you would like me to create a full video about how to successfully brand your business, then leave a message in the comments below. To get your candles out into the world, you'll need to set up an online shop. While there are many different platforms to choose from, you want to make sure you pick one that's easy to use, offers plenty of support, and is affordable. When choosing your online shop platform, make sure that it integrates with an e-commerce software that will enable you to track and manage your inventory. Candles are more than just a flickering light. They are unique and beautiful products that can be used as gifts, home decorations, and are also useful for creating a peaceful and relaxing environment. With so many reasons to buy them, there is no doubt that with some planning you can create your own profitable candle-making business from home. Remember, you don't have to start out great, but to be great you do have to start. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips on how to grow your candle business. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.